Imperial Beach. Also now seeing National City drying out. That's going to begin to clear Chula Vista most likely in about 5 minutes. There are some stray showers moving right around Escondido, but yet again, these are falling apart. Most likely in about 5 minutes, you'll see the clearing for you. Rainbow now dealing with some of the lighter rain, and in about 5 minutes, you'll see a brief drying trend. But we are not done yet. As remember, we are waiting for a cold front to arrive tomorrow, and that is going to increase our rain coverage. But we're not just looking at one storm system. We have several more to contend with as we head for about the next few days. Rainfall totals, though, just for Thursday alone, we could see them, I'd say they'd be slightly more than 1/4 of an inch out over toward San Diego, maybe closer to 1/2 inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch out over toward Poway, and around 1/4 of an inch into Alpine. The mountain community is picking up the heaviest rainfall now at about 1 inch. That's storm 1. When we get to Friday, this will be one of the wettest days. We are already going to go up to around 2 inches in La Mesa, 2 inches in San Diego. By the way, usually for the entire month, we see around 2 inches of rain, and we can possibly see that on Friday alone for us. That's not it. Remember, we're going to have Saturday and Sunday. That most likely is going to be fairly light, scattered showers throughout the day, only a 30% chance of rain before a stronger system arrives late Sunday on into Monday, ending early Tuesday. Now putting rainfall totals over the whole storm event, over 5 inches in Tremona, getting close to 5 inches into downtown and around 3.5 into Chula Vista. Coming up, we talk more about what to anticipate with the next storms on our way. Jason?
All right, thanks.
Feet for us. The first storm system, because we have a series of them leading all the way through the first half of Tuesday. So the first one coming a little bit closer out over toward California right now with the trailing cold front. Then we also have a second one on the way, and we still have a third one not even focused here on the map just quite yet. Breaking down the timing of your forecast, though, by 7 a.m. tomorrow, this is when we could see the heaviest bands of rain moving through, at least for Thursday, as far as that is concerned. Really looking at about an 80% chance of rain. You can see pockets of yellow and orange. They're coming down a little bit harder out toward Oceanside, even through Fallbrook and into Del Mar. By 9 a.m., if you delay your morning commute, look at this. Pockets of North County are starting to see the rain not as intense, although we can't quite say that out toward downtown, Chula Vista, Imperial Beach. Still seeing the heavier rainfall, especially out over toward Escondido and Ramona. Now, by 12 o'clock, I still think there is a 40% chance of rain. So I would not completely agree with this model thinking, oh, the rain's only into the foothills. I still do think portions of I-15 as well as I-5 could see some of the showers, but it's not going to be as strong. It's not going to be as intense for us. You can see lighter rainfall coming on in through around Thursday at about 6:30. Still keeping a 40 to 50% chance of rain throughout the evening. Now we bump it up with storm number 2 on Friday. This is an 80% chance of rain. And look at how the coverage really changes from those spotty scattered showers to now completely covering the entire county. Now by 7 a.m., this isn't even the heavy stuff, although it is definitely coming on down in buckets. By 12:30 is when we have a 30% chance of thunderstorms, and this is when the intense stuff begins to come on down. We could see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain simply from Friday alone, and I still think that by 5:30 we'll still be dealing with maybe some more intense showers, so yet again, not completely buying into this model. I think the rain is going to continue to push a little bit closer out over toward the coastline for us. Friday on into Saturday, we'll take that rain chance down to about 30% for us on Saturday. Still noticing the shading in pink. That's wintry weather coming down for Palomar Mountain and into Pine Valley. Remember, snow levels will continue to fall down to about 3,500 feet. Look at this, though. 12:30 on Saturday. I don't see any rain on the screen. We drop that rain chance down to about 20% for a portion of late Saturday and on into early Sunday before we get that stronger storm down yet again, and that one will be the final one that will wrap things up through Tuesday. So 7-day forecast, 64 degrees tomorrow, very windy. Then once we get to Friday, that's the day we pick up most of the rain, 62.